Good morning, friends. As you know that we are providing you the law lectures. We will provide you the judgment or orders of the Supreme Court as well as the High Court also and the legal affairs. This was planned before that we will provide you this topic in this category also. The simple and main objective for providing this video is that to provide the case laws, the through citation. Through this process, the advocates and the lawyers they will get the more knowledge regarding the regular case laws. Through this process, they can get sufficient knowledge regarding any case law, and through this process, they provide this as the citation, and it will definitely help them in their advocacy field. For the judicial aspirants, the legal affairs will definitely help them in their exams also. So we hope you love it so much, and definitely we will try to provide you the more and better content in next days. So let's get started it. So Supreme Court on date 7/1/2022 on Friday allowed the commencement of council process for NEET PG and NEET UG for 2021 and 22 admission on the basis of existing 27% quota for other backward classes and 10% reservation for economically weaker section in all India quota. For as considering about the reservation, it is providing 27% reservation for the OBC category and it is 10% reservation for the economically weaker sections. As far as the consider about the economical weaker section, so the amount is fixed as the 8 lakhs as cutoff. The bench consisting the Justice D.Y. Chandrachud and S. Bopana. Background of this case that this was the challenge against the validity of the center's decision to introduce OBC and the EWS reservation in all India quota for NEET admission. This dispute arises by the notification issued by the central government, which introduced 27% reservation for the OBC and 10% reservation for the EWS for UG and for PG. For the reservation for the as medical and dental concern for the MBBS, MD, MS, Diploma, BDS, MDS. From the current academic section 2021 and 22 and onwards also. The case title is that the Neil Aurelio Nunes and others versus Union of India. So this judgment is based upon the about the reservation for the NEET UG and PG. As this the case is totally based upon about the reservation for the reservation 27% reservation for the OBC and 10% reservation for the EWS economically weaker section. As far as the concern about the economically weaker section, the amount is fixed about the 8 lakh rupees. This is another case about the Gayabai Digambar Puri versus executive engineer. This is the orders given by the Supreme Court that the person deprived of possession of his property on account of acquisition of land should be paid compensation immediately. This is given by the Supreme Court. This order is given by the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court observed that if a person is deprived of possession of his property on account of acquisition of land, he should be paid compensation immediately. If the same is not paid to him, forthwith he would be entitled to interest on the compensation amount from the date of taking possession of the land till the date of payment. So the case name is the Gayabai Digambar Puri versus executive engineer. So case is all about that after the acquisition of the land, your payment should be initiated immediately. If the payment is not initiated immediately, then definitely you will get the interest from the date of execution to till the date of payment. You will get the interest of that property. The Attorney General for India has stressed the need to increase the retirement age of Supreme Court and High Court judges. Addressing the virtual farewell event organized by the Justice Subhas Reddy on his retirement, the Attorney General stated that it is the travesty that Supreme Court and High Court judges retire on 65 and 62 years age, where the lawyers on the age of 70 and 75 years argue cases with no difficulty. So this is all about our about the judgment and orders of this week. So we'll definitely try to provide you the better judgment in next week. So if you like this, then definitely like, comment, and share, and subscribe my channel. And see you in the next video. Thank you.